Types of couplings. Coupling is a mechanical device that joins two parts together, or the act of joining two parts together. Use. A coupling is a device used to connect two shafts together at their ends for the purpose of transmitting power. The primary purpose of couplings is to join two pieces of rotating equipment while permitting some degree of misalignment or end movement or both. Types of couplings. Bushed coupling. Universal type. Rigid coupling. Flange coupling. Gear coupling. Bellow coupling. Jaw coupling. Fluid coupling. Clamp coupling. Diaphragm coupling. Oldham coupling. Sleeve coupling.